Hi guys, Brookelynne and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a summer makeup tutorial. So I've done this kind of glam night out type of summer makeup look. You can wear this during the day, which I am kind of wearing this for going out shopping, but it can be like pared down or like glammed up even more for like nighttime. You could use lashes or darker kind of look on the eyes for like nighttime, then kind of really tone it down for the daytime. So it's kind of like this nice bronzy type of look with like a nice red lip. It's simple to do but effective, so it's one of them looks you can just throw together and it'll look good with any kind of outfit, any kind of hairstyle, any occasion. It's just is a good look to do. So you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. Using my Biovine sunscreen SPF 30, just applying it all over my face, and then I'm using my W7 Golden Glow bronzing drops all over my face too as a primer. My W7 Genius foundation in the shade Butterscotch, just applying it with my fingers and blend in with the Beauty Sponge by Real Techniques. Using my Maybelline Anti-Age Round Eraser Concealer in the shade Neutralizer, my collection concealer in the shade, I think it's Butterscotch, and then my Pale Louise Rimmer 0.3 eyeshadow base, just applying it all over where I have applied it. I'm using my Real Techniques sponge to blend that out as well. These concealers create a lovely flawless look and can cancel out and conceal any kind of imperfections. Using my I Heart Revolution chocolate banana powder, using a wee tapered brush for underneath the eyes and eyelids, and then using a big kabuki brush to set the rest of my face. I'm using my Ted Baker blush and bronzer duo. This I got in a Christmas gift set back in 2020, just using my Obsession angled brush just to contour my face with that bronzer. For a summer look, I love a good bronzy look, so a contour bronzer is a must, and of course cancelling out that kind of double chin, which I'm on a diet, so I am like losing weight, but I want to really look snatched, and until I look really snatched naturally, I need all the help I can get. And then I'm using the pink blush just on the apples of my cheeks, using my, I think it's Belmiante X More Higgins bronzy highlight, just using the flat edge of my highlight brush, and then using my Academy Colour highlight over top of that with the top end. My Glam Easy Brow Brunette, just filling in my eyebrows to create a nice sharp look. I like my eyebrows to be quite thin and defined looking, so I'm doing that, and this eyebrow pencil creates that beautiful brow look. I also really love that tapered high arch look too, so I like to kind of create as high of arch possible as my eyebrows will go, using my collection brow glue in deep brunette just to set that in place and add some more colour. The brush on this is absolutely beautiful, perfect for my eyebrows. I'm so happy with the size of that brush, and that glue just sets it. And then I'm using my Jack Joshua Be Perfect palette, taking that light brown on a fluffy crease brush, just applying that into the crease and then the outer V. This is like the first colour I'm using, and you can just use this colour on its own with a bit of the more Higgins bronzy highlight on the lids if you want something more subtle for daytime, but I like to kind of glamming it up for this look, so it's more nighttime, daytime. So I'm using darker brown with a detailed crease brush, just in the outer V and slightly into the crease, just to create that more detailed, smoky shape and effect. Also taking what I have on top underneath my eyes, just squashing the brushes, using my Rimmel Scandalize pencil liner in black, and then my Nude one by Rimmel. Just to really open up the eyes. That's a good trick. I use just a black for the lash line and a nude for the waterline. Using my Be Perfect one, Do Free Satin Spray. Using some eyelash colours, and I'm using my I think it's called Relove Volume Lash Mascara in black. Just applying about 2 coats of that. And 1 coat on camera and another coat off camera. I like my eyelashes look voluminous. Now you can wear lashes with that look to give you more of a nighttime effect. But because I'm only doing shopping that day, I decided just to use a couple of coats of mascara. And then I'm using my NYX Coral Red lip liner. I can't remember the exact shade name, but ask me and I'll try to get it and figure out the name. Just lining and filling in my lips. And then I'm using my NYX Duck Lips Plump Lip Gloss in the shade Hall of Fame, just to create that nice glossy look. And that's a completed look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again for the next one. And I hope you have a lovely summer too. Stay gorgeous. God bless. Bye.
Change. I'm done wondering. I want clarity. No more wicked ways. Love me or leave me, yeah. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage. With this back and forth.